Premier Scrapbooking subscription kit for March 2018 is full of wonderness. Well, you may know that we have revamped these, and let me show you what you're going to get every single month. To begin with, you're going to get 18 papers. Now, they're all double-sided. You're going to get 3 of each that I show you, and isn't this gorgeous? Now, why is this called Premier? Well, it's because members receive the things before anyone else on the planet. That's right. This is the Illuminate Papers, and I think that's absolutely one of my favorites. So many things you can do with this. So that's one sheet. Here is another. You can see it's got this kind of watercolor look with flowers mixed in. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so versatile. And that is one side. Let me flip it over, and you can see there is even more. And you're going to get 3 of each one. I think this is the only kit that gives you 18 papers, and we're delighted to bring that to you. Now, in addition, you get all the Dazzles that match. In this case, these are the Illuminate, and they are in the gold. There are 67 different images on these 2 sheets. And again, members receive them before anyone else. So that's included. And we also add extra goodies. Now, in this case, you are getting 2 sheets of glitter paper. This is a corrugated, so very different. And this is a stripe, and just really, really fun. In addition, we are adding Stickles. That's right, gold Stickles. First time we've included that in a kit. We did that because you're also getting 20 of these silk screened wood pieces and also laser cut words. And just very, very fun. Now, normally members will receive 36 inches of ribbons, but the design team wanted to try 1 month without ribbons. And let me show you what they've done. Oh, wait, I'm not done. You also get coordinating die cuts. In this case, there are 39 die cuts on 2 sheets. And what's fun about these is that some of the butterflies, the wings, will just pop up like so. Very nice. They stay attached, so you don't have to worry about that. So you've got circles. This has also got one where the butterfly wings pop up. So that's a nice additional. And you can put foam tape behind them to add that lift underneath your sheet protectors. So as I said, 39 again, before anyone else. So you end up having so many things that coordinate with the papers, which is exactly the idea. Now, let me show you some of the pages. Here is the first using the, as you can see, the Stickles on that laugh. Isn't that just gorgeous? And I have to tell you, I love what the design team, in this case Susan, did with those silkscreen wood pieces. She colored in with Spectrum Noir pens and added some Stickles on top. Just beautiful. And look how the Dazzles just add a beautiful touch, a frame, just kind of going in with the artwork of the page, and more of the die cuts adding for journaling and also for the title of the page. This is one page. Here's the companion. And it's just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So fun to use those strips of glitter paper as you might a ribbon, just adding some extra dimension, maybe doing some matting. Beautiful. I have to love how Gail has done this masculine layout. Look at this. We really incorporate masculine layouts just about every month because we don't want to leave the guys out. And look at this. Isn't it stunning? Again, cutting that glitter into strips and letting the Dazzles overlay. Just beautiful. And there's one. And here is the companion page. That's going to give you some ideas, I bet, and really stretches your papers. Now, we also have another layout where you always get 4 double-page spreads. And here is another one, just really effectively using all of the elements. Isn't that fun to let the butterfly wing kind of overlap the photograph? That's a great idea. I love how the Dazzles just add a really nice accent all through these layouts. And there we've got another frame around a piece of the glitter that's been foam taped. The Dazzles have been placed on the papers and just cut out. Here is the second companion page. Isn't that just fun with all of those sweet little faces? And our last double page spread is really celebrating our hometown here in little tiny Canby, Oregon. And you can see using both the purple and the red glitter, adding some all over color onto those wood pieces, and a little bit of shine with the Stickles, and we'll show you how in the newsletter. So there's the die cuts going around our sign, Welcome You to Canby, some heritage homes, as well as some the very famous Canby Ferry. Well, it's famous to us, and isn't that pretty with the home? So you've got 8 pages, 8-page layouts. You've got 20 of the wood pieces. You've got 67 of the Dazzles, 39 of the die cuts. You've got the gold Stickles. You've got 18 marvelous papers, and you've got 2 very fun glitter sheets. Well, this is what we have for March. As I keep saying, the members receive everything before anyone else. That's why we call this Premier. And you can see all of the instructions in the full color newsletter. It comes right with the kit. You don't have to go anywhere to download it. It's right in your hands, so you can take a look at it, decide what you want to duplicate and what's new for you. We're also showing you some other Premier kits. We have them for Dazzles, we have them for scrapbooking, as you've seen, card making, stamps, cutting dies, mixed media made easy, and templates. All of them come to members first. That's why they're called Premier. If you'd like to join us, and we'd love to have you, go to paperwishes.com, go over to the right-hand side and look at the monthly kits. Click on that and you'll see the whole array of Premier kits that we have for you. Please join us.